Good morning, Tamina Khan is here in TKMaths is Fun. In today's video, which is video number 3, we will solve a challenging question. We have learned two concepts so far, addition and subtraction on Surds and multiplication and division on Surds, right? So based on that, we will solve this word problem. And you also need to recall here the concept of Pythagoras theorem in this question. So let's solve it together. And if you want to try it out first, you can put the video on pause, try it out, and then continue listening the video. So first part of the question is you have to find the perimeter of the trapezium, which is given here, and 3 sides given to you in the third form. Now we know that one more thing is given to you here, that AB is parallel to DC. Okay, so perimeter is what? The addition of the sides. If you look at the diagram, all the sides are given, but BC is not given. So it means we have to find out BC first. And then we can add up all the sides. So how we will find out BC? Here we need to find BC by using the formula of or concept of Pythagoras theorem, right? So we will apply here Pythagoras theorem. Just give me a second. Okay. So we will apply Pythagoras theorem here. Okay. So how we will apply it here? Now let's look at this diagram. If I draw a straight line from here, perpendicular, because question says the opposite sides are parallel, it is given to here, it means it will make 90 degree here. Now if it will make 90 degree here, we can apply Pythagoras theorem. This length is 7 plus root 5 because it is opposite to this length. They both are 90 degree. What about this length, which is from here till here? Absolutely right. You will find this length by doing DC minus AB. Okay, this whole length minus this length. So DC minus AB you will find out, and then after that you will apply Pythagoras theorem. So let's find out what is DC minus AB first of all. So DC minus AB. Now DC is 11 plus 2 root 5. Okay. And AB is 4 plus 3 root 5. Don't forget to put bracket here, because whenever we are subtracting multiple terms and there is minus outside, the sign changes, which is a common mistake made by students at times. So don't forget that. So now two terms which are just rational numbers. So 11 minus 4 is what? 7. And these terms are with surd. So, it is 3 root 5, my mistake. Let me write here correctly. 3 root 5. Okay. So now I can do 2 minus 3 is minus 1 root 5. So I got the length, which is 7 minus root 5. So now when I will apply Pythagoras theorem to find out BC, I will do here what? BC square is equals to 7 plus root 5 square plus 7 minus root 5 square. Agreed? Which is what? C square is equals to A square plus B square. So I am applying this Pythagoras theorem. After that I will expand the bracket using which concept, if you remember? A plus minus B whole square is what? A plus 2AB plus B square, or A minus 2AB plus B square. So I'm going to expand this. 7 times 7 is 49 plus 7 2s are 14 root 5, and root 5 square is what? 5. Again for the second one, 7 times 7 is 49 minus 7 2s are 14 root 5 plus 5. I'm simply applying these expansion the bracket. Now if you see here, 49 and these terms will cancel out, and then you simply add them up. It will be equals to 108. So I got the length BC square 108. But what do we want? We have to find the perimeter. So we just need BC, not BC square. What will I do? I will take a square root. And we have just learned in the previous videos how to simplify it. So it is. Achha, by the way, if you don't know here table or something, how can you simplify with the help of division method, prime factorization, you remember? So you can find it simply. So it is here, because I have already done that. So it is 36 times 3. So 36 is 6, sorry. 6 is the 36, root 3. So I got the simplified form of BC. Those who do not know, let's do it quickly here. 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14, 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. So I did what? From here and from here. If you see, it is 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36. So I wrote here 36 times 3, and 36 is a perfect square, which we can see from here also. Now I will add up all these sides, which are these. Just a minute. So now perimeter will be, just a minute. So I will write down the lengths of each side. So what is AB in the diagram? Let's get this diagram also here so that we don't need to oops. Okay, it will be easy access then. That's why oops, it did not come. Anyway, forget it. So AB was 4 plus 3 root 5. BC we have just found is 6 root 3. And DC is DC is 11 plus 2 root 5. I'm using different colors so that we can highlight it, we can easily identify. And AD is what? 7 plus root 5. Now if you see in all the terms, root 5 is here, not in all 3 terms. So I can add the real numbers. 4 plus 11 plus 7, which will be equals to 22. And these terms which are with root 5 will be considered as like terms. So it can become 3 plus 3, 4, 5. 5 root 5. And 1 is here also, sorry. So it is 6 root 5. Okay, this is also root 5. No real number outside mean it is 1. And then 6 root 3. This one, the last one, which is here. So this is my perimeter. Okay, now I have to find out the area. Now you know the area formula of a trapezium is half into height into sum of parallel sides, right? Now let's see the diagram again. In this diagram, height is always the distance between parallel lines. The distance between parallel lines. So this is the distance between parallel lines. This is the distance between parallel lines. So my height is what? 7 plus root 5. So I will write here 7 plus root 5, and don't forget to write a bracket here. And now AB are parallel sides. So what are AB? Let's see again here. 4 plus 3 root 5, this one. 4 plus 3 root 5, and this is 11 plus 2 root 5. So we will write that inside the bracket. 4 plus 3 root 5 and 11 plus 2 root 5. Okay, if you want to use letters here, for example, my H is what? AD. So you can write here H is AD and AB are what? AB and DC. You can write here to make it more clear what you are talking about. After that you will multiply the brackets. Okay, so let's do it stepwise, because the second part of the question is saying find the area of the trapezium. Now 11 plus 4 is what? 15, and 3 plus 2 is 5 root 5. I hope you are understanding it. I am doing it slowly so that there is no confusion. Now I will multiply the brackets. We have seen how to multiply the Surds bracket. So 7 will multiply by this and 7 will multiply by this. So it will become 7 15s are 35, 105, 7 5s are 35 root 5, because real numbers, rational numbers multiply and root come as it is. After that I will multiply this by this, so it will become 15 root 5. Then I will multiply this by this, it will be 5 root 25, because 5 5s are 25. So 105. By the way, these terms have root 5, so I can add the rational numbers we have seen in the addition and subtraction. So 35 plus 15 is what? 50. And this is 5 times 5, because root 25 is 5. So 5 5s are 25. Okay. So after that you will do what? Half 130 plus 50 root 5. That is all. You got your area of the trapezium. Because was it written centimeter? No, it wasn't written. So I don't need to write here centimeter. Rather I can write square unit square, sorry. Okay, so this is how you will find out the area and perimeter. And question is saying give your answer in the form of surds. So that's why I will not use calculator to simplify it. I will leave my answers like this. So this is my answer of perimeter. Always highlight your answer in the box or something to make it prominent. And this is your area. So thank you very much for watching the video. Please press like and subscribe button and share it with your friends. In the next video 4 we will learn rationalizing the denominator. Take care. Allah Hafiz.